Want to make an exercise harder without adding extra weight?
Slow it down, especially when the muscle is lengthening. For example, lowering your body in the squat, lowering down from the pull-up or from a hanging knee raise, lowering the weight in a dumbbell curl. This is called the eccentric phase of the muscle contraction.
There are additional benefits to eccentric training. These include increased strength gains, less strain on your joints, the need for less equipment, and more intensity with fewer reps.
The most important thing to see results is that you're increasing intensity in some way, and eccentric training is a brilliant way to do that. Keep in mind that eccentric training can cause some additional muscle soreness. And by the way, if you're not sore, it doesn't mean that you didn't have a good workout. Muscle soreness depends on many other factors like hydration and rest and nutrition. So whether you're sore or not, if you think you had a good workout, you did.